Hello everyone, this is your Maestra nga Bisaya again. So for this video, maghatag tag another example about computing weekly salary from daily wage. Problem: James is a warehouse helper in Manila and is paid 70 pesos per hour for regular hours. He worked 45 hours this week. Overtime beyond 40 hours is paid at 1.5 times the regular rate. What is his total weekly wage? Okay, for the solution, given regular hours na gihatag nga regular hours niya is 40. Nganong 40 man ang regular hours? Kay he worked 45 hours this week. Overtime daw beyond 40 hours. So pag mulapas na og 40 hours, overtime na. So therefore, ang regular hours niya 40. So regular hours 40. Next, ang overtime hours, since he worked 45 hours, so 45 minus regular hours nga 40, so naa siya overtime nga 5 hours. Tapos, kung atong computon ang regular pay, so 40 man ang regular hours niya, i-times nato sa regular rate nga 70 pesos per hour. So 40 times 70 equals 2,800. Tapos, ang overtime rate is regular rate times 1.5. Kaya ang giyon niya, ang overtime is paid at 1.5 times the regular rate. Ang regular rate nato kay 70 pesos. So, i-multiply daw siya by 1.5 para sa overtime rate. So, ang result sa overtime rate nato is 105 pesos. And then, pwede na nato makompute si overtime pay. That is, pila ka hours siya ang overtime times ang overtime rate. Overtime rate nga na-compute is 105. So, 5 hours times 105 equals 525. So, the total wage, ang iyahang regular pay plus ang overtime pay nga 525, that is equal to 3,325. So, ang answer ani nga problem, kaya gi-ask what is his total weekly wage, ang answer is 3,325 pesos.